Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. No trip to Zermatt in Switzerland would be complete without visiting Gornergrat and riding the famous Gornergrat Railway. But what exactly can you see and do at Gornergrat, and how to plan your time? Here are the best things to do at Gornergrat. Number 1. Gornergrat Railway. Built in 1898, the Gornergrat Railway or Gornergrat Bahn is the highest open-air cog railway in Europe. The 9.4-kilometer line connects Zermatt town to Gornergrat. The train ride takes 33 minutes and the steep climb is one of the most spectacular railway journeys in the world. Along the way, you can see some of the most beautiful mountain panoramas in the Swiss Alps. The Matterhorn is by your side during almost the entire ride, as well offering picture-perfect photo opportunities behind every corner. The journey on the Gornergrat Railway is spectacular in itself, but this is also the best way to reach Gornergrat Ridge and some really nice places along the way. Tip for riding the Gornergrat Railway is try to get a seat on the right side of the train when going up or on the left when going down. This is the side of Matterhorn and has the best views. Gornergrat is a mountain ridge near Zermatt with an altitude of 3089 meters above sea level. From various viewing platforms at the top, you can see the Gorner Glacier, 29 mountain peaks above 4000 meters, including the famous Matterhorn and countless other mountains. Gornergrat is one of the most popular mountain destinations in Switzerland. Most visitors come to Zermatt just to ride on the famous Gornergrat Railway and of course for the views and the Matterhorn. However, there is more to do at Gornergrat than just riding the train and taking some pictures from the viewing platform at the top station. The first and the easiest to visit is the viewing platform right at the railway station. You leave the train and immediately have the jaw-dropping view of the Gorner Glacier right in front of you. It looks like a giant frozen river trapped between the mountains. And because you are standing so high, you can even look down at the glacier. It's a really unique experience. Next is Matterhorn photo point. At the Gornergrat railway station, behind the building and to the right, you can find the Matterhorn photo point. This is a place with good views of the Matterhorn and a red frame and a camera where you can take pre-pictures of yourself with the iconic Matterhorn mountain. Next is Gornergrat Viewpoints. After visiting this viewing platform, walk in the direction of 3100 Kulm Hotel and take a winding walkway up. Soon you will have another viewpoint at the back of the hotel and looking in the other direction. Here you can also see a small lake just below the hotel Sea. Continuing further up, you will eventually reach the highest viewing platform at Gornergrat at 3131 meters. Here, you have panoramic views with the most stunning scenery in all directions. It's truly breathtaking, one of the very best views in the Swiss Alps. Next is Zoom the Matterhorn. Zoom the Matterhorn is a relatively new attraction at Gornergrat. It's located in a small building on the hill behind the railway station and left from the hotel. You can't really miss it. There will be an extra small cost for this experience, but you can just get a ticket there. The most interesting attraction at Zoom the Matterhorn is the virtual reality flying experience, where you are gliding over the mountains around Gornergrat. You can choose from two different experiences, the scenic ride or the more thrilling ride, and it feels as if you are paragliding. In addition, there's also a short movie inside, a mini version of the Matterhorn for the kids to climb on, and a few other cool features. It's well worth a short visit. Next one is Gornergrat Chapel. Between the Gornergrat Hotel and the Zoom the Matterhorn experience stands a small chapel. The chapel belongs to the municipality of Zermatt, is always open and there's no entrance fee. Hiking and biking. Many hiking trails start at Gornergrat, and if you have the time, It's well worth considering some of them. Gornergrat is also a great place for mountain bikers and the trails looked spectacular. We met quite a lot of people biking at Gornergrat and some trails at the top are used by both hikers and bikers.